everyone, my name is Valentina and I am with the Chipp AI team. Today I will be going over how to create your own custom API action. So this selection will be available underneath the connect card. So let's head over there. I'm going to click add API action, and for right now we're going to skip the title and description and go straight to the good stuff. The URL we will be using for this example is one that will give us random advice. So first things first, let's just make sure this URL works. Perfect. Piece of advice, look people in the eye. Great advice. Awesome. But let's say I want this advice to be in a specific category. Let's say I just want it to be life advice. So I'm going to put /search/life. I'm going to test that capability, and we'll see that I've got 11 results for the query, which is life. But I really only want one at a time. This chatbot will be used for, let's say, random life advice giver. So I'm going to take this off, including the slash, and I'm going to create a query parameter. So as you could tell here, it says query. So that's going to be our key, and our value is going to be life. Now I could choose any other category that's available through this API, but for this one, I really just want life. And as you can see here, it's been tacked on to the end of our URL. Similar to how we had /search/life, this is what query parameters do. And we're just going to test it one more time to make sure it's working. You never really grow up. That's right, people. Stay young, use Chipp, learn about AI, and have fun with it. So now we're going to go up here and go to the title. I'm going to name this life advice. And for our description, I'm going to make it something so that the AI chatbot can understand exactly what I'm using this for. So I'm just going to say random life advice generator. And I'm going to add the action. And there we have it, folks. There it is, random life advice generator. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. And in the next one, I will be going over how to use headers in your custom API action.